Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Webull crypto to an external wallet, full guide step by step clearly. To withdraw crypto from Webull to an external wallet, start by opening the Webull app on your device. Log in to your Webull account with your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the crypto section of the app. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw from your Webull account. Tap on the withdraw option available on the crypto overview page. Before proceeding, ensure that you have an external wallet ready to receive the funds. Copy the wallet address from your external wallet securely. Return to the Webull app and paste the wallet address into the designated field. Double-check the wallet address for accuracy to avoid any errors. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Review any applicable withdrawal fees before finalizing your transaction. If all details are correct, confirm your withdrawal request. You may be prompted to verify your identity through a two-factor authentication process. Complete the verification to proceed with the withdrawal. After submitting, you will receive a confirmation message regarding your request. Withdrawal times vary, so be patient as your transaction processes. Check your external wallet periodically to confirm receipt. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.